Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create the cinema of horrors photo effect, a trending Halloween image where you sit inside a movie theater surrounded by legendary horror icons. And the best part, you can make it instantly using Google's new Gemini AI Nano Banana. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Gemini. You can open it through the browser or through the app like this. And then next, just log in using your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on Create Image to activate the Nano Banana. Or you can also activate it by tap on Tools icon and then create images like this. This feature is powered by Nano Banana, the latest AI update that lets you edit photo just by typing a prompt. Next, just upload your own photo. Pick one where your face is clearly visible, and then it will have the AI will blend you naturally into the scene. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo like this. And then next, let's move to the fun part. Let's type in a prompt. Before I already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, just screenshot it and then just copy it. And feel free to tweak the prompt as you like. Maybe like you can change the horror character that you like, that you want to appear on the photo. Or maybe you can also adjust the details of the lighting and many more. Just tweak the prompt as you like to match your style, and the vibe. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it. And when you're done, just tap on generate. Okay, like this. Just look at this. You're literally chilling next to a horror character like this. And then the lighting, the texture, and everything looks like a real movie still. And it's spooky with a cinematic and totally perfect for your Halloween feed. Okay, so that's how you can make the cinema of horror photo effect using Gemini AI. Just try it out and share your results on your social media. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.